Sabi nila, freelancing is a solo journey. Pero sa totoo lang, I never did this alone. Before I became a virtual assistant, I was watching the best manager in the world. Walang day offs, walang fixed hours, pero laging on call. Yung discipline ko sa work, I got that from her. Yung diskarte sa buhay, kay nanay galing yan. She was multitasking before it was even a niche. Kahit yung pagkanta niya sa umaga habang tulog pa ako pagkatapos ng graveyard shift, looking back, it wasn't a noise. It was the sound of home. Everything I build as a Tito VA, I build because of the foundation she laid down. Ang pangarap ko, pangarap niya rin. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga original freelancers natin. To my first mentor and my biggest inspiration, I love you, Mama.